Namaste everyone, myself Yashaswini from Shloka Chant with Yashu. You know that we have already started learning word of the day. So today word of the day is a lalata, which is a forehead in Sanskrit. So here I have taken few of the references. So from Durga Kavacha, there is a word, there is a stuti that goes like this. Uma Devi Shirah Patu Lalate Shuladharini. So Shiraha. So which we have already learnt in the previous class, which is a head. Uma Devi Shira. Shira is a Uma Devi will take care of the Shira. Lalate Shuladharini. Let my forehead be taken care by the one who carries the Shula. Shuladharini. Shula is a Trishula. Shuladharini, the one who carries the Shula. So this is one of the reference where it says Lalate Shuladharini. There is one more example that is from a Shiva Tandava. It goes like this. Dagad 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 jwalad lalata pattapavake. So Shiva head, there is a fire on Lord Shiva's head as he performed the Shiva Tandava Nritya, which brights and which shines enormous radiance, which refers to the Agnya Chakra. Dagad 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 jwala. Lalata pattapavake. Lalata is a forehead. The surface of the forehead has a tremendous, enormous amount of radiance and it shines as Shiva performs a dance. So these are the two examples that I would like to quote here, which is in reference to Lalata, which is a forehead. If you know any such example, please do let me know in the comment section. I'll be very happy to know that. See you all with one more word very soon. Thank you so much. Namaskara.